Ever thought about jewelry you never have to take off? Let's dive into the world of permanent jewelry. The history of permanent jewelry is quite fascinating. But did you know the concept of permanent adornment isn't entirely new? Historically, permanent jewelry can trace its roots back to ancient cultures where jewelry was worn continuously for religious, cultural, or personal significance. These pieces often symbolize status, protection, or were seen as talismans. So, what exactly is permanent jewelry today? It's typically made of durable materials like gold and silver and is welded together for a smooth, continuous piece. No clasps, just pure elegance. Why is permanent jewelry trending? It's trending big time on social media. Influencers and celebrities love it for its minimalist and chic appeal. Plus, it's perfect for those who want a unique, personalized touch. Curious about the process? First, you have a consultation to choose your piece. Next, it's sized to fit perfectly. Then comes the exciting part, welding. It's quick, safe, and voila! You have a beautiful piece of permanent jewelry. There are some great pros. No need to take it off. It's durable and long-lasting, and you get a unique piece. But there are cons too. Once it's on until professionally removed, and you can't easily adjust the size. Maintaining it is easy. Just clean it regularly to keep it shiny and beautiful. With a little care, your jewelry will last a lifetime. Permanent jewelry is more than a trend, it's a statement. Have you tried it or thinking about getting one? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting content.